from 0 to 20 million on YouTube and 12 million and counting on Instagram. You're now doing Dhindora too. Tell us about your journey, Bhuvam.
I mean, it's been a roller coaster ride for me because Dhindora was something that I wanted to do since a long time. But before that, I really wanted to establish those characters, the way I shoot my videos, and I wanted to tell people that okay, I am planning to create a series where I'll play all the characters and it will be short. It will be well shot. It will be just like any other movie or a web series we see on other OTT platforms. But this idea came to me gradually while I was creating regular content for my YouTube channel.
And you played 10 roles. These are 10 characters that you've actually established online on your social media platforms over the years. Where did this idea come from?
I think the idea was this only since the beginning. I knew I could look for other actors. I knew I could hire other actors. But then because I had started with some characters of my own, which I had created, I really wanted to create a BB universe of my own. A Chota Muh Badi Baat. If you may call it Desi Avengers, YouTube ka Desi Avengers, where you see every character in itself is unique and people like it. People like them, be it Papa character, Mummy character, be it Mama, friends, or anyone else. So I think this was a driving force where I wanted people to see the actual characters life size from head to toe. क्योंकि अभी तक तो बस यहाँ तक देखा है लोगों ने, चेस्ट के ऊपर तक देखा है, बट इसके अंदर we have tried to tell people कि yeah, these characters actually exist.
Well, you've gained immense popularity in a short span of time. Why do you think Bhuvan resonates with India? What is it that makes your content work?
I think what I say, what I depict in my videos is what I have lived through already. And I'm sure if I have lived through that, then majority of the people, most of the people would have lived through that. क्योंकि नाना करते हुए भी सबकी एक जैसी लाइफ है. सबको पानी की बोतलें भरनी होती, नहीं भरते तो डांट पड़ती है. टिफिन वापस लेके आना होता है घर पे, अगर बाहर रख दिया तो फिर मम्मी नाराज हो जाती है. सो आई थिंक ये सब चीजें, ये मिडिल क्लास हैबिट्स हैं जो कभी जाती नहीं हमारे अंदर से. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स people connect with me so well, I guess, and that's what actually I want to portray in my videos.
Well, people have connected with you, no doubt, but at a time when there's so much hate, polarization, intolerance to content that's created online, you've so far played it safe, stayed away from it all. Are there any no-go areas for you, Bhuvan?
See, I don't think it's about upsetting anyone. It's about what I want to refrain from. I really don't understand politics, so I don't get into politics. I don't like insulting people. I don't do insult comedy. I have my own 16 to 20 characters where I can insult them. जनता भी खुश, मैं भी खुश. So क्यों किसी के बारे में कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोलना है? Also communal बातें नहीं, कुछ नहीं. I mean there is so much to talk about. There is so much humor everywhere around us. I don't want to nitpick a certain section. I don't want to nitpick a certain political thing and then create comedy on that. Social commentary I do a lot. Satire होता है थोड़ा बहुत, but I don't go all out doing all these things.
But do you think you could, if you wanted to? Could you go all out?
I think no, anyone can. Anyone can. अभी तो अपने पास social media है. Everyone is free to post anything and people do post. It's not on my priority list. It's not what I would want to do.